Hi!
There are many kids playing in the park. Let's go there and sell things. Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Welcome! What would you like to order? I'd like to order this. The customer didn't order this. Check again. Strawberry popcorn. I want to try this juice. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the popcorn first. Tap the button to turn on the stove. Pour the ingredients, strawberry sugar, butter, corn kernels. Stir it. The ingredients are mixed well. Wow, the kernels are turning into popcorn. Crunchy popcorn is ready! You're great! Now let's make the juice. Slide to cut the fruit. Excellent! You've got a lot of fruit! Press the button to start juicing. Lastly, let's add some toppings to the juice. Wow, you've made delicious juice!